I'm back to my fitness life in 2025. In December, during the Christmas, I get sick and headache, high fever, on and off. So it's very difficult to motivate myself to continue my workouts or running maybe once a week or twice a week. But in 2025, I commit myself to do the regular workout and trainings every week. And this is also to my gym centers, and I will continue my workout today. After my workout, I will start my lunch today. I will prepare a warm Caesar salad and smoothie within 5 minutes. Okay, let's start. I will make a warm Caesar salad. Firstly, I will wash this wild rocket baby leaf salad into warm water, and I also prepare cherry tomato, and I will also cook some Italian spicy chorizo. This is also Italian antipasto platter. If you don't have this food at home, you can also use a chicken fillet or pork fillet, anything you like, to get a balance between the veggie and meat. And I also put some nuts, sunflower seed, and this is a half onion to make it more yummy and different layered of food. I have already applied the olive oil and fried Italian spicy chorizo. Then I also put another Italian antipasto platter all together. Very tasty. When their skin is becoming yellowed and brown color is finished, and I will mix with salad. So I have for this meat, they have already so much oil. So I only need to apply salt and pepper a little bit. Then we will also fry onions and nuts. Use olive oil, fry onion, until the onions become soft and transparent. Then we'll put the nuts and sunflower seed. Continue stir and fry. When finish all the onions and nuts, sunflower seed, put all together into the salad and mix it. It's finished. Now I will prepare another healthy smoothie, mixed berry smoothie. I put a blackberry, raspberry, and blueberry, 2 spoons of yogurt. I will also put peanut sauce, peanut butter, 1 spoon, or if you like, you can also put honey. And I also put a chia seed, 2 spoons, milk, and then blend it all together. Its color is very beautiful and yummy. Finally, I prepared my homemade healthy Caesar salad. It's quite warm and it's a texture full of the vegetable, cherry, nuts, and sunflower seed, which is very healthy for our body and skin. And another one is also my mixed berry smoothie. Let me try. It's very creamy, thick, sweet. It's quite full if you finish all this one. So that is my vlog and daily routine in winter in UK. If you like my videos, please also remember to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.